It's a 2015 Lexus ES350. Enjoy the exceptional, world-class luxury of this stunning sedan, filled with refined craftsmanship found in every single detail. It comes with great features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual-zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, leather steering wheel, front-wheel drive, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection reports, thanks to a quicker steering ratio and retuned suspension, the ES models feel slightly sportier from behind the wheel without sacrificing passenger comfort. It's still just as plush and quiet as ever. Live a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression in this Lexus. Experience it for yourself today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.